Explore the world of Ubuntu on your Windows 11 or 10 PC with our simple and straightforward tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to install the latest version of Ubuntu on VirtualBox, creating a virtual environment for seamless exploration and testing. Whether you are a Linux enthusiast or a beginner looking to try out Ubuntu, our easy-to-follow instructions will have you up and running in no time. Join us as we walk you through the installation process, demystifying the setup of Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Watch now and start your Ubuntu journey hassle-free. Step 1. Download and install VirtualBox on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. Step 2. Obtain the latest Ubuntu ISO from the official Ubuntu website. Step 3. Open VirtualBox, click New, and configure a new virtual machine with Linux type and Ubuntu version. Step 4. Allocate RAM and create a virtual hard disk. Step 5. In VM settings, go to Storage, select the Ubuntu ISO as the optical disk. Step 6. Start the virtual machine to begin the Ubuntu installation process. Step 7. Follow on-screen instructions to install Ubuntu, create a user account, and complete the installation. Step 8. Remove the ISO from the virtual optical drive and restart the virtual machine. Step 9. Ubuntu will boot from the virtual hard disk. Complete the setup and you are done.